I am Kojo Majo and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special drink. It's one of my favorite drinks to order when I go out. You know, it's a drink that I feel like once a bartender gets it right, it just makes your night. And today we're going to be making a margarita. You know, it's a super simple drink to make. It only consists of 3 ingredients, juice, sweetener, and tequila. Maybe 4, depending if you like to add salt to it or not. I prefer it without salt, but if you like with salt, you can just rim the top of the edges. We're not going to be doing that today. But if you'd like me to rim it in another video, please let me know. And we're going to get right into it. You know, these are the garnishes we're going to be using. Lemon lime, some jalapeno for the spicy version of a margarita. And here they are juiced already, so I don't have to do that on camera. And these are the cups, the shakers, measuring cups, cutting boards, everything. So pretty much what you really need is a cup, the ice, the garnishes, and you're good to go. So we're gonna be making 2 margaritas today. We're gonna be making virgin margaritas today. We're gonna be making a classic virgin margarita and a spicy jalapeno virgin margarita. It's pretty much the same thing, but if you like to spike it up a little bit, just add some jalapeno, or you can add some cayenne pepper to it. Either or, it works. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna try to multitask it and build both of the drinks in these 2 glasses. That's a jalapeno. I'm gonna get my garnishes ready for the margarita, so I just have it ready once it's done. And cut the slit, or I could even do a wedge, but I don't feel like doing a wedge today. I'm just gonna do wheels. All right, and all you're just pretty much doing is cutting it from top to bottom in a circle and making like a slit, just like that. All right, so let's build this bad boy up. So we're gonna be adding 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Most tequila, okay, I should do this in a different bowl. 1.5 ounces of lime juice for both. No, I need to muddle. I'm gonna have to muddle this first for that. All right, I'm just gonna take 2 of these and muddle it really quickly. Let me grab my muddler. So this one you can muddle as much as you want. You can take out the seeds if you like. These don't have seeds because it's the bottom of the jalapeno. So just muddle it. And let's do that. All right, so this gets its own lime juice, 1.5 ounces of lime juice too. Whew. Girl. I'm just gonna put this in a different bowl next time. 1.5 ounces of lime juice. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Now, if you like it super tart, you can add some more. A traditional margarita doesn't have lemon juice in it. Some of them have sweet and sour mixes. And that's why I decided to add lemon, but you can just do a lime if you don't like it too tart. But either or works. I like a little bit of balance of both. And that's why I decided to do both, just a splash of lemon juice in it. The next is our sweetener, which is agave. Okay, I thought I had that with me. So this, you don't need much agave, just a little bit of agave. I will suggest 1/4 ounce of agave, simply because, you know, we're already adding the juices here and they tend to be really tart and sweet at the same time. So you don't want it to be super, super sweet. And we're just gonna add that as well. And the last but not the least is triple sec. But since it's a virgin drink, we can't use triple sec. We have to use a replacement of triple sec, which is pretty much orange juice. So we're just gonna add a little bit of orange juice as well. I would suggest you add 1/2 ounce of orange juice to it. There it goes. And then the other half. There that goes. And now we have pretty much everything we need for the drink. Yeah, we muddled the jalapeno. And now we can shake this bad boy up. So, I'm just gonna dry shake this one since I have the jalapeno in it. And then we're gonna add some ice.
And shake it up, shake it up. Shake it. Alright. Shake that. Ice. Okay. We got that. Got the cups ready. I'm gonna add some more ice. I need to start shooting ice and days in my freezer. This is like 2 containers of ice already. And it's almost done. Okay. Alright, some more ice.
Ice. Now I like to get this ready before I start shaking and stuff, just so I don't have to do this and let it sit after I start to shake it. All right, so we're just gonna do that. Let's shake this real quickly. All right, this is the spicy one. Get this open. And just the top, where the heck did I put this thing? I got this all dismantled today. All right, so I'm just gonna strain it into this. Oh wow. All right, and that's for that. Just dump this. Oh, let me dump it and then okay, that's the first drink down. So since this shakes better in this cup, I'm just gonna use this cup to shake it. All right. Now, the only reason why I'm straining this is because I already have a lot of ice built up in the cup. I just don't want it to be too much ice. But usually I won't strain it. All right, there that goes. And I'll grab some club soda. Now, the reason I'm adding some club soda is just to cut back some of the tartness and the sweetness to give it a perfect balance. If you like it really, really sweet, you can just leave it as is. But if you just want to have it a lot more balanced, you just add a splash of this. That's how I prefer it. This is a virgin drink, but a typical margarita does not get club soda. Just to let you know. All right, now it's time to taste this. In a couple of seconds, I'll grab my wheel and another wheel. And then to make my differentiation, I'm gonna add some jalapeno to this one. And now we can taste this bad boy. Whew. So, here we go. It's a jalapeno spicy margarita, and this is a classic margarita. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. My God. Definitely like some spice in this. Oh my God. I'm wishing this has some tequila in it, but we're not doing that today. But there you have it. A spicy margarita, classic margarita, both yummy. If you're having a gathering, it's a perfect drink to make. It's super easy, not that many ingredients. You get it down packed. If you like to add some tequila, add your tequila, and you're good to go. Shout out to the Chocolate Mongol Show for participating in a cocktail series we had last time, which is a virgin mojito. Thank you so much for participating in this series and making that drink. If you happen to make any of these drinks, feel free to tag me on Instagram at @KojoMajo. And until next time, peace.
And don't forget to subscribe.